Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change iQIYI app to English. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change iQIYI app to English, what you need to do is head over and open up your iQIYI app. Then once inside, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account with your credentials. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on this me icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply select the option that says language right here. Now among the options given to you, all you gotta do now is select English, and then once you select it, all you gotta do now is go back, and then on your home screen the selected language will be applied. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.